Now that we've imagined a ton of ideas, we can start working to try them. However, since we have a limited amount of time, your teams need to pick one idea that seems most promising. But before they just dive in and start building, they need to do some planning. Why do engineers plan? Because there's just a limited amount of time and money. President John F. Kennedy gave us 10 years to get to the moon. You have 1 hour. But first, you'll probably have to remind your students to slow down during this phase. They really just want to skip the planning and go right to the building. So what's the best way to get your students to plan? Sketching. Sketching helps engineers visualize what they're going to do before they start building. Different students sketch in different ways. This is a good thing. It helps them decide the best way to build it. Encourage everyone to participate. Sketching isn't a work of art. It can be as simple as a stick figure on a box. The only test of a sketch is whether you can build something from it. And finally, once they have a design, have them pick one variable that they would like to change during the experiment phase. So let's try a sketch of our own. Okay, now I need to draw my satellite, and I probably need to put the straw on top. Then I can attach the balloon with tape to the bottom. Okay, and we'll also need to do a top view and a front view. There. Now that the sketch is finished, let's move on to something more fun, creating.